Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy English with Krishnaveni. Today we are learning about articles in English. By the end of this video, you will master a, an, and the completely. Let us begin. So, what are articles? Articles are small words that we place before a noun. They tell us whether we are talking about something general or something specific. There are only 3 articles in English: a, an, and the. Just 3 small words, but they are used in almost every single sentence we speak. Let us start with the first article, a. We use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Consonant sounds are sounds like B, C, D, F, G, J, K, and many more. For example, a cat, a book, a dog, a pen. Now here is a very important point. We say a university, not an university. Why? Because even though university starts with the letter U, the sound we hear is U, which is a consonant sound. So always remember, it is the sound that matters, not the spelling. Now let us learn about an, the second article. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an egg, an idea, an hour, an orange. Now, here's a tricky one. We say an hour, not a hour. The letter H in the word hour is completely silent, so the word sounds like hour, which begins with a vowel sound, so we use an. Always listen to the sound, not the letter you see. Now we come to the third article, the. The is different from a and an. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something that both you and the listener already know about. For example, I saw a dog. Then I say, the dog was huge. The second time I use the because now we both know which dog I am talking about. We also use the for things that are one of a kind in the world, like the sun, the moon, the president. And we use the when something is clearly described, like the book I gave you, or please close the door. Let us now compare a and an side by side. On the left, a is used before consonant sounds. A cat, C sound. A book, B sound. A dog, D sound. A university, Y sound. A one-way street, W sound. On the right, an is used before vowel sounds. An apple, A sound. An egg, E sound. An idea, I sound. An hour, ow sound because H is silent. An honest man, O sound because H is silent again. The golden rule is always follow the sound of the next word, not the letter, the sound. Excellent work, everyone. Let us do a quick recap. We use a before consonant sounds, like a cat, a book. We use an before vowel sounds, like an apple, an hour. We use the for specific nouns, like the sun, the door, the book I gave you. And the most important rule of all, always go by the sound of the next word, not the spelling. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are learning English. And do not forget to subscribe to Easy English with Krishnaveni for more simple grammar lessons.